Hello friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel Backbenchers, a path of learning. Hope you enjoyed our previous video. Thanks to all of you for being with us. As we showed in our previous video, the meaning of marriage, definitions of marriage, characteristics of marriage, functions and importance of marriage. And the topic of this video is forms of marriage. Let's start. The main forms of marriage are polygyny, polyandry, monogamy, and group marriage. Polygyny. Polygyny is a form of marriage in which one man marries more than one woman at a given time. It is more popular than polyandry but not as universal as monogamy. It was practiced in most of ancient time. Polygyny is in practice among Eskimo tribes, Crow Indians, Hidatsa of North America, African Negroes, the Nagas, and Baigas of India. However, it is permitted in Muslim community. Polygyny is of two types, sororal polygyny and non-sororal polygyny. Sororal polygyny. The Latin word soror means sister. Sororal polygyny is a type of marriage where the wives are invariably the sisters. It is usually observed among the tribes which pay a high bride price. The death of the wife of her childlessness is compensated by supplying a new spouse who is generally the younger sister of the deceased woman. Non-sororal polygyny. Non-sororal marriage in which the wives are not related as sisters. Polyandry. Polyandry is the marriage of one woman with several men. It is practiced the Tibetans and Marquesian Islanders of Polynesia and others. In India, the tribes such as Tian, the Kota, the Toda and other practice polyandry. Polyandry is of two types, fraternal polyandry and non-fraternal polyandry. Fraternal polyandry. Fraternal polyandry is a type of marriage in which several brothers share one wife. Fraternal polyandry is practiced among Tibetans in Nepal, parts of China and parts of northern India. Non-fraternal polyandry. Non-fraternal polyandry marriage is a type of marriage in which a woman's husbands are not related. Monogamy. Monogamy marriage is form of marriage in which one man marries one woman. It is most popular during early times and it is almost become a universal practice at present. Ancient Greek philosophers Aristotle had recommended only monogamous marriage. Advantage of monogamy. Universally practicable. Monogamy is universally practicable and almost all societies recognize it, and most of philosophers recommended only monogamous marriage. Provides better status for women. In polygyny, women are given only a very low position and their rights are never recognized. But in monogamy, it provides better status for women, better understanding between husband and wife. Monogamy creates a better understanding between husband and wife. Intimacy. Intimacy means having a deep personal connection with someone. One advantage of monogamy is that it fosters emotional intimacy, supporting two people in developing a strong relationship. And the last form of marriage is group marriage. It is form of marriage where two or more men marries two or more women. Here the husbands are common and the wives are common. This form of marriage particularly rare. Some writers have said that group marriage is not in existence. If at all it is in practice, it is clubbed with polyandry. For example, two Toda brothers marry two women as their common wives.
You